is GMA DC Double B Channel 7, a commercial TV station with 100,000 watt transmitting power authorized under station license number BSD 01932019, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 31, 2022. GMA studios are located at the GMA Complex, EDSA Corner, Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The GMA transmitter station is located at Barangay Culiat, Tandang Sora, Quezon City. GMA engineering is headed by Elvis B. Ancheta, professional electronics engineer number 897. GMA transmission personnel is composed of electronics engineers, electronics technicians, and first-class radio operators with license issued by the Professional Regulations Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Ricardo L. Cabral, professional electronics engineer number 92. Erwin R. Timbre, electronics engineer number 3650. Joel M. Agu, electronics engineer number 40727. Jonathan G. Salvo, electronics engineer number 19705. Gerald C. Arellano, electronics engineer number 49545. Bonnie Ray A. Ulam, electronics engineer number 47499. Christian L. Hundis, electronics engineer number 58240. Rodrigo P. Quizon Jr., professional electronics engineer number 875. Eric D. Kalaykay, electronics engineer number 26010. Louis O. Siapenko, electronics engineer number 15586. Ralph D. Palma, electronics engineer number 29315. Ryan Jesus I. Zapanta, electronics engineer number 41636. Mamerto D. Logroño Jr., electronics engineer number 28729. Celestino A. Vega Jr., electronics engineer number 19182. Raquel M. Espiritu, electronics technician number 305. RVP Cariaga, electronics technician number 603. Rafael A. Racelis, 941 PNCR 11977. Inocencio Robert B. Maniago, 95-1 PNCR 15029. Arnel D. Aricheta, 931 PNCR 6617. Nathaniel F. Santiago, 111 PHN 26421. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. Seen via satellite in 52 stations nationwide. Luzon, GMA7 Manila, TV7 Batanes, TV5 Ilocos Norte, TV48 Ilocos Sur, TV7 Abra, TV7 Tuguegarao, TV13 Apari, TV5 Mountain Province, TV7 Isabela, TV10 Benguet, TV5 Baler, TV10 Olongapo, TV12 Batangas, TV44 Halahala Rizal, TV13 Occidental Mindoro, TV12 Puerto Princesa Palawan, TV6 Brooks Point Palawan, TV8 Coron Palawan, TV7 Romblon, TV7 Masbate, TV7 Naga, TV12 Legazpi, TV13 Catanduanes, TV2 Sorsogon, TV8 Daet, Visayas, TV5 Calbayog, TV8 Borongan, TV10 Tacloban, TV12 Ormoc, TV2 Calibo, TV5 Rojas, TV6 Iloilo, TV13 Bacolod, TV30 Murcia, Negros Occidental, TV7 Cebu, TV11 Bohol, TV5 Dumaguete, TV10 Sipalang, Mindanao, TV35 Cagayan de Oro, TV12 Bukidnon, TV4 Dipolog, TV5 Osamis, TV3 Pagadian, TV11 Iligan, TV26 Butuan, TV10 Surigao, TV2 Tandag, TV5 Davao, TV8 General Santos, TV9 Zamboanga, TV12 Cotabato, TV12 Holo. This is GMA, the Philippines' largest network. Now signing off.
Frequency is basically across an internal landward. maternal immune system is
Red hot cheesy, my kick, my spice, my crunch.
Red Hot Cheesy.
cooperative organ. It's an almost parasitic entity that hijacked the mother's body to get the fetus born. The father's gene determines how aggressive, how deep the placenta invades.
Ang mga pamana ng ating kultura.
Alien species terraforming the uterus to maximize
Mula magulang sa anak
the mother to optimize fetal growth.
hanggang sa susunod pang henerasyon.
Five paternal genes that are actually associated with complications which could be considered failures of paternal biology.
Sa paglipas ng panahon, sa tahanan at sa ating pakikitungo sa kapwa, nabubuo ang mga katangian ating pinahahalagahan. Mga katangiang humuhubog sa ating pagkatao at sa ating pagiging Pilipino. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Realizing he'd gone too far, enemy attack. So as the captain of the guard, the father had king and princess, Arthur and his son, that we feel. How much would
Shop became an
sa support to the National high blood pressure, ang mga gamot sa support to the National 5